Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm so excited for this makeup look. I absolutely love how it came out. I used the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop. This palette is stunning. This is the first time I've used it and I absolutely love it. The colors are just, they're everything. They're so pretty. I love them. These shadows, if you are wondering, they're very similar to the Solimar palette. The mattes are a little dry to the touch, but I mean they blend amazingly. They blend like a dream. So if you guys want to see how I got this very green look using the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop, then keep watching. First, I am going into Chances Are with my Morphe M441 brush as usual, and I'm just popping this in the crease, and I'm really building this shade up because it's like almost like a minty green, as you can tell. So the first time I had tapped my brush off and a lot of the pigment obviously came off. So I really built up this shade just so I can get it to the right amount that I wanted it to be. Next, I am going into Chances Are and Act Natural, and I am just popping this in the crease, kind of just really putting Act Natural on the outer V, because on the outer V is where I really want all of that depth to be and darkness of the look. Next, I'm taking Chances Are, Act Natural, and Charmed, and I'm just putting these in the crease. Charmed is such, it looks brown, but it is like such a really pretty deep, like olivey, almost green color. Perfect to deepen up a look for this palette. I'm just really focusing Charmed now and all the other shades that I use in the crease on the outer V. This look is just as usual, a lot of blending, a lot of going back and forth between the palette and my eye. And I just really wanted to blend all the shades out until I really liked how I got it. Now I'm taking my M330 just to really blend everything together. And I'm really using the side of the brush because that really helps diffuse the edges and makes them look like nice and smoky and seamless. So next I'm taking All of You, like I love you. And I'm just putting this on my lid with my finger. I know this looks a little brighter at first, but it's not. Next, I'm going back in with Act Natural and Charmed, and I'm just putting this on the outer V with my finger just to really blend All of You and the outer V together. Sorry, now I'm just blending everything. Just make sure it's all good. Next, I'm taking Mary Jane, and I am just going to take a lip brush from Beijoy, and I'm just putting this in the outer V where I didn't fill in anything yet. So this took a little bit of building up for me. I did wet the brush off camera at this point right here and just really patted it on. You can really see like I got the color that I wanted finally, but it is a gorgeous color. I think Mary Jane's one of my favorites. Next, I'm taking those three colors that I used in the crease, Chances Are, Act Natural, and Charmed, and I'm just putting those along the lower lash line, starting really close and pushing them against there, and then blending them out. So now I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera as usual, and I am back. And then for lips today, I am using the Fenty Gloss Bomb because this is just the lip color that I thought would look the best with this look. And this is just pretty much the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, because those are the two places I am super active. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. If you want any more videos with the Just My Luck palette, like a swatch and review video, or any other tutorials using a specific shadow, let me know in the comments down below. I will get that up as soon as possible for you guys. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too, because I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.